Am I legally responsible for sleepwalking actions? Imagine waking up and realizing you caused damage or harm while you were asleep. It might sound like a scene from a movie, but it's a real concern for many people who sleepwalk. When it comes to legal responsibility, things can get complicated. So, let's break down what really happens if you sleepwalk and do something that causes trouble. Legally, whether you are responsible for actions during sleepwalking depends on the situation and where you are. Usually, criminal responsibility requires that you knew what you were doing and intended to do it. Sleepwalking is a state where someone performs complex behaviors without being aware or in control. This means they lack the mental intent needed for most crimes. In many legal systems, if someone commits an act while genuinely sleepwalking, they might not be held responsible because the act was involuntary. This is called the sleepwalking defense or automatism defense. To use this defense successfully, the person must show clear evidence that they were sleepwalking at the time. This can include medical history, expert opinions, witness statements, or triggers like stress or sleep deprivation. If someone has a long history of sleepwalking, the law often expects them to take steps to prevent harm. For example, locking doors or removing dangerous objects from their bedroom. If they don't, and harm happens, they could be held liable. It's similar to how people with known seizure disorders are expected to manage their condition and avoid risky situations. The burden of proof varies by jurisdiction. Some courts requiring the prosecution to prove the act was voluntary, others requiring the defendant to prove they were sleepwalking. Courts also look at when the episode happened, medical evidence, and any triggers involved. From a sleep wellness point of view, managing sleepwalking involves treating underlying sleep disorders and reducing triggers like stress or exhaustion. Making a safe sleeping environment is also key. Doing so helps protect your health and reduces the chance of harmful sleepwalking episodes. In the end, actions done during sleepwalking can sometimes exempt someone from legal responsibility. But if you are a known sleepwalker, it's wise to take precautions. The law generally considers awareness and intent, so taking steps to prevent harm can make a difference. Managing your sleep disorder not only helps your health but also lowers legal risks if sleepwalking causes trouble.